In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Freshsales. If you want your sales conversations to live right inside your CRM, connecting your inbox is the quickest win. We'll walk through the setup from start to finish, and I'll point out a few choices so you pick the right sync for your workflow. First, open Freshsales and sign in. You'll land on your dashboard. Look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Connect Email. This opens the email integration panel where you pick your provider. Select Gmail. Freshsales will redirect you to Google's secure sign-in page. Choose the Gmail account you want to use with the CRM and complete the sign-in. If your company uses multi-factor authentication or single sign-on, follow those prompts as usual. If a new tab doesn't appear, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for Freshsales. After signing in, Google will show a permissions screen. Review the access requested so Freshsales can read and send mail on your behalf. This is necessary for syncing messages and logging emails to deals and contacts. Click Allow to grant access. Behind the scenes, this connection uses Google's OAuth, which means your password isn't shared with Freshsales, and you can revoke access later from your Google account if needed. If you're on a managed Google workspace and see an approval message, your admin may need to enable the app before you proceed. You'll then choose how you want emails to sync. Two-way sync is recommended for most teams. With two-way, both your incoming and outgoing Gmail messages appear inside Freshsales, so you can see full conversations on leads, contacts, and deals without leaving the CRM. One-way sync is more limited and only sends emails composed in the CRM back to Gmail. Pick the option that matches your process. You can always return to settings later if you need to change this preference. Once you confirm, Freshsales completes the authentication and starts syncing. You'll see a confirmation that your inbox is connected. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if your mailbox is large. While that runs, you can continue working. As messages arrive, you'll notice emails automatically attaching to matching records, which keeps your timeline clean and searchable. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you connected the correct Gmail account and that you granted all requested permissions. Refresh your browser to see the latest sync status. That's it. You've connected Gmail to Freshsales, chosen the best sync for your workflow, and your email integration is live. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.